Hey GlamDollz, I'm here today to share with you all the Bring Home the Salon Kiss Jewel Fantasy Artificial Nails, which is these nails right here. These nails come 30 in a pack, and you get 6 additional jeweled nails, and this pack is what was used to create this fabulous hand look in which you're seeing. So if you want to see how I achieve this hand look, just keep watching. I'm starting off by filing my own natural nail bed, and I'm just doing this to create a rigid surface so the artificial nails can have something better to adhere to. Then I'm using the nail glue which comes with the artificial nails. This is their pink gel glue. I like applying the pink gel glue by putting it directly on my nail bed and then taking the artificial nail, putting it on my nail, making sure it's not on there crooked, and then continue that same process. Now I really like using this pink nail glue because it's very thick and it helps the nails to adhere that much longer. These nails tend to last me anywhere from about 8 to 10 days, you know, with me wearing them, and it seems like it can last much longer than that. But after about 8 or 10 days, I usually take them off just to exchange for a different design hand look. But for the most part, this is how I like to apply my artificial nails. As I said, I take the nail glue, I place it on my actual nail bed, and I do it as if like I'm painting my nails, and then I take the artificial nail, line it up, and press down firmly, count to about 3, and then the nail is adhered. And it's super fun to wear. These nails are fabulous, and they're definitely giving you the salon quality look without the salon quality price. Kiss really have outdone themselves when it came to these artificial nails, and you're getting jewel accent nails in the pack with your artificial nails. You're not going to be able to get this kind of look at your local salon at this kind of price. These nails tend to run, give or take, about less than $10. So here's my before and after. Before and after. And when everything is complete, voila! Fabulous salon quality artificial nails without the salon quality price. Now this part is totally optional. You do not have to do this. I like applying some clear nail polish onto my nails, and the 2 polishes that you're seeing is a regular clear coat, and then the second one is a matte clear nail polish because these nails are matte and then they're also shiny. But on that note, dolls, this just concluded the video. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you're interested in wanting to know more about these nails or where you can get them from, the information will be down in the description box below. So please check down below for more details, and I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.